we bought us a new boat, and this puppy brand new goes for $12 million. But you know we bought it for less than half. But to operate this big papa, you gotta be prepared to spend some money. You gotta sit down and you gotta figure out what's it gonna cost me to own the boat, what's it gonna cost me to run the boat, and you better make sure your budget can handle it. Because right now, I'm breaking the bank, baby. If you're thinking about buying a big yacht, or any toy for that matter, I recommend you don't do it if you gotta finance it. If you gotta finance it, you probably can't afford it. You gotta have a place to keep the boat. These marinas are charging a fortune. It would probably cost me 15 grand a month to park this baby somewhere in a nice place. Maybe 10 if I went back to the trailer park. Or you can buy a house. For the same money you're gonna spend in a marina. And then you get the house, you get the pool, you get the dock, you get it all, baby. Then you gotta have a captain. If you own a big shot yacht like this, you wanna be a big shot. You don't wanna drive the goddamn thing, even if you can. Captain, a boat like this size, $1,000 a foot. That's what their annual salaries typically are. You got 100 grand a year for a captain, and if you want to have a mate, he's gonna probably cost you 50 grand a year. And then, while you're underway, you gotta take care of these people. They gotta eat, they gotta, be around whatever you're doing. It's expensive. You gotta have insurance. At least 50 grand a year for a boat like this. Then you gotta have somebody wash it, you gotta have somebody do the outside, the inside. You never know when a repair is gonna come up, and let me tell you, if you think car repairs are bad, try fixing a boat. It's like fixing planes. They're gonna take it to the cleaners. It's like a floating house, except you gotta provide all the power to that house. We got generators, water makers, hot water heaters, you name it, the boat's got it. Why? Because you're gonna be out in the ocean and you gotta survive.
I got a fish.
Holy mackerel.
Nice fish.
Ceviche tonight. And when you're underway, you got expenses back home you're paying for. You want to pull into a dock somewhere in the Bahamas? Get ready to pay. It's going to cost you at least $500 to $700 a night just to park this baby, plus electric, plus water. Then, are you going to bring a chef with you? Costs money. No chef, you're going to eat out? Costs money. Gas, forget about it. This thing burns over 100 gallons an hour. If I buy the gas here, I get it for about $2.60 a gallon. In the Bahamas, $5 plus. If you gotta fill a tank up in this boat in the Bahamas, I need 2,500 gallons times $5 a gallon. You do the math. Whenever you buy your boat, you're gonna wanna make it fit your needs. It's not gonna come perfect. I mean, it's possible, but I gotta go out, I gotta buy some furniture for here. She's gonna wanna decorate it.
What the hell is this?
It wasn't a bathroom in the last boat. But it's something that I want, it's something that I enjoy, it's part of my retirement. Here we are at Atlantis. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah. And it's what I want to do. I worked all my life. Now, I can't have one thing in life to enjoy. That's what I'm gonna do. So I went out, I bought a big shot boat, and I'm gonna have a nice boat to do what I wanna do, go where I wanna go, and have a good time. And as long as we got tequila, Carla will be happy too. I can consult with you anytime you want. So go to benmallah.com, get me on the phone. The 10% rule definitely is true. So if you buy a $5 million boat, you better be ready to shell out $500,000 a year operating it. I've always loved boating ever since I was a kid, because I grew up in shitty Far Rockaway, and I was on the water. I started seeing boats, people on boats when I was very young, enjoying them. And I always said, one day I'm gonna have a damn boat, and I'm gonna enjoy the water. The problem was, where I lived, the only thing we had was rowboats. And but boating is great. Being out in the water, the fresh air, free, away from fucking real estate. Take a break. You gotta take a break in life from stuff to be good at it. You wanna be good in real estate, you gotta take a break once in a while.
Get on the boat.
You step up 3 steps and you jump.
Over this canyon? If I fall in the dam, is this what the...
Jump.
Ah!
We gotta figure out a better way.
You're not getting up there.
Oh shit, get out of the way.
No,
He's pulling the boat in for me right now closer. That's what he has to do. Get out of the way.
Don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall. I'm a yachtsman. All hands on deck and all dicks on hand.
Oh my God.
I want all the tables in the boat to look like this. Gilligan claims he can do it. Oh shit, it's freezing. This is the top deck. This is when you know you made it to the top, baby. When you're on the top deck of your fucking yacht. When are you gonna make it to the fucking top? That's what I want to know.
This is above the top, I hate to tell you. You're above the houses in the neighborhood, so calm down a little bit. I'm getting there. We're working on it.
I'm only 25 years older than you. You got 25 years to get to here. You think you're gonna do it?
I've been helping you for the last 10
Helping.
years. What the hell?
All right, here we go. You ready?
You're taking years off of my life.
Come on. Take the Velcro off of that and remove that life ring.
You got a boat. You can't even drive it.
I can drive this motherfucker.
You can.
Please, I don't want to. Fucking guys that own yachts don't drive their own fucking boats. They have captains. The problem is you're down here and I'm up here, baby.
So
You don't get it.
All right, I'm starting to get it. I'm trying. It's clicking. Just
Go drive your little fucking wake boat. I
Yeah,
bought you
I
when you were
drive my
16.
boat. I
When you were
drive
16
my
years
boat.
old, I bought him the top of the line, Mastercraft X something wake boat.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, and it's still sitting around, but he won't fix it. You know that thing's worth like 40 grand. They held their value.
I can drive my boat.
His fucking boat, if he fixed it, is worth 40 grand because they held their value. I want to lose weight, so I need to hire a personal trainer. I need to eat healthier, so I need to hire a dietitian. But it's hard to find people who are as good as they say they are. It's like if you're hiring, how can you find the best people for all the different roles on your team? Easy, ZipRecruiter. And right now, you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/Mallah. With ZipRecruiter's advanced resume database, you can instantly unlock top candidates' contact info. ZipRecruiter's matching technology works fast to find you top talent so you don't waste your time or money. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. See for yourself. Just go to this exclusive web address right now to try ZipRecruiter for free. ZipRecruiter.com/Mallah. Again, that's ZipRecruiter.com/Mallah. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. I want to see if this cushion is going to fit in that corner. I want all 3 back here.
Hold this. I'm drinking.
You know, you drink too much.
I was supposed to be
Look at that,
relaxing.
the first drink on the bar.
Didn't you say come here and relax?
See if that'll go in a corner.
Oh, shit.
Easy, easy. It clears. This is going to be the tanning area of my yacht. Now put another one in the middle. It's good. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where you want this one?
In the middle. Well, leave that one there.
Touching it?
Leave that one there, put that one in the middle. Oh my God, what am I working with here? These guys aren't labor ready guys. Better
It's
than
all
this.
about the instructions.
Now we have a tanning area. These are the things you gotta worry about and set up when you get a new boat. You gotta kind of feel things around. You might change things, you might do this, and it comes up and says, no, I don't like it. And you gotta change it, but you don't know.
Is this what you wanted?
Yes, I need
You
a
sure?
measuring
This
tape.
was your idea. Let me see if it works.
Look at that. You can lay down, you can put your, look at that, all that space. There you go.
You like this?
Whatever, I don't care. You do whatever you want. Now he's modeling. These are the things I need to buy for this boat. I need a nice love cedar couch here, comfortable, high-end, exterior. I need to measure that. I need to measure that space there. All right, we did the first trip of the boat. First, we stopped in Bimini. Then we said, you know what, the boat ran so good, let's keep going, baby. Then we went to Albany, very exclusive. We hung out for the whole Christmas week. She made me take it to a casino at Bahamar. Him and his family met us, and they hung out with us in Bimini. Vincent's new neighborhood.
Look at all these deals. Look at the location.
I heard of Section 8, this is Section 1. Here we are with the rich and famous Vincent on one of his luxurious vacations. Look at him. Look at how he spends his wonderful, luxurious vacations here with his family.
Have you ever seen this before? No, you haven't.
This is where he takes his family for their wonderful holiday vacation.
Look, Vita. Right, Vita? Is this amazing?
And now we're back home. at this boat, picture perfect.
It's a nice boat. How much
Thank
did you pay for it?
None of your business. Your inheritance, that's what I did. I figured, what the fuck, those kids, I'm gonna spend all that money, baby.
Well, at least you're letting us use it with you.
There you go. Sharing is caring.
Are you gonna keep this boat or are you gonna sell it?
Of course. Listen, how many boats have I had? How many boats have I had? First, I had the Johnson. I kept it a couple of years and I sold it. Then I got the Sunseeker. I kept that one about a year and I sold it. And then I got the my order. I kept that a couple of years and then I donated it. The point is, should be the right boat for me. All right, it's my 4th time, and it's the right boat, I think.
You were secretive about this one. This is the
I'm
first
secret
time
about
you wouldn't even
everything.
tell me what type
I don't
of
need
boat.
you in my business, homie.
I want to know what you buying, when you buying it.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
He didn't tell nobody anything until he bought it, and then we all trying to like figure out if he had a good deal or not. He won't even tell us the price.
You don't tell me shit when you go out and buy
You
all
don't
those
tell me
shit
the
boxes.
price.
Ooh, I bought that over there. You didn't tell me shit about that shit box, that shit box, that shit box. Thank God the fucking auction saved his ass.
400,000 anyway.
On a fucking house that was from the previous century. Who the fuck goes out and buys a 100-year-old house?
I hope you didn't overpay, because this fucking boat is way nicer
do
than
I
I
overpay?
imagined that you would buy.
When do I ever overpay? When? Tell me when have I ever fucking overpaid in my life? Tell me.
You're gonna put me
Tell
on the
me.
spot right
You're
now?
so full of shit.
No.
You can't say shit about
One
me
or
ever
two
overpaying.
times I can remember.
Now you.
I don't keep scores like that, okay? I don't, anything that you do, I don't
You
remember.
can't think of one thing in your entire life existence that I've ever overpaid on.
On me.
You're the only thing I wasted
I
money on.
got you. Then you overpaid on something. You
No, I
overpay
just-
Rafal too.
All right, back to business. I need a measurement there. I need a measurement there. I need to measure the space for the microwave, the height, the width.
Wait, we doing
and
all
I
that
need a
tonight?
wine cooler. It's measurements. What the fuck? Is it hard to measure shit? I like to get shit done. What?
Can you use your phone for that?
That's it. Show us how. Wait, I gotta get it lined up right there. Plus.
All right, and now move it around.
Plus. 6 foot 4 inches. That gives us an idea. I need about a 6-foot couch.
But you want smaller than that? You want me
6.
to redo it?
All right, gotta find a measuring tape.
He brought back a fucking.
It has.
fucking.
It's 2 feet long. So
He's old
We already
school.
figured out how to do it. He showed us on the phone.
sometimes they're accurate.
All right.
All right, I need. All right, measure it then, big shot. This is how we do it in college. We use a protractor.
Okay, that's what you want.
That's the way a Mexican does it. 6'4".
6'4".
Like I said,
6'4"?
you were wrong.
Let
I
me
was
measure.
right. So put down, we need one couch that's about 6 by 2. We need to go out and buy a fucking microwave. I'm not living on a boat without a microwave because you can't cook your fucking White Castles. And how else can I cook my factor meals? You don't have a lot of refrigeration on a boat. That's the way it is, okay? It's a boat. So you put in a little extra stuff. So right here, I'm gonna get a really cool looking like wine cooler that'll hold a bunch of drinks. Now, we also already have, voila, one right here. I need something similar to that. And we have to make some improvements to Carla's office. She's missing a microwave right there.
Excuse me, can you get the bottle out the warmer, sir?
The
We
bottle
got
out the
kids on
warmer. We
board.
need a bottle out the warmer.
Come on, baby
One
daddy.
bottle out of the warmer.
Last time you did that.
Make sure it's not too hot.
Come on, give it to the baby.
Don't make sure it's not hot. You don't want to give her hot milk.
We got a new
Turn the
babysitter.
knob to 0, please.
Valley, that's my Valley girl.
And we gotta get a fridge, and we gotta find 2 couches. I want them by tomorrow.
I could have been a firefighter. Look at this. Wait, hold on, and I can help the elderly.
God damn it! Get your hands off of me! God damn it! You son of a... Hey, Priscilla. One time we went to Disney with my mother. Something you never want to ever do. And the guy was walking around in the Goofy costume. And he was putting his arm around people, taking pictures and shit. And she goes, "Get your fucking hands off me, you pervert."
Get rid of that fucking camera. I don't want to see it no more.
Hey, we're out here in Los Olas. You know why I like Los Olas?
Why?
Because it's busy, baby. The money's flowing. The traffic is here. The people are here. People are spending money. People are making money. And everybody's happy. This is what real estate's all about. Look at this place. Action.
Why don't we own real estate like this? This makes sense.
Never take over the kingdom, you princess. Cornbread, baby. Cornbread fed. Well, I'll get around there. One thing you don't do, you don't mess with some man's cornbread. Look at that. Smoked wings and ranch.
Take a bite.
I'm not doing no gator, hell no. You ain't never had no chicken like this, Bart.
KFC. Original recipe KFC.
They know how to make fried chicken here. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God, look at the size of that thing.
Okay, well, you can have very little.
Feed me.
That's at 28K right now.
That's very little. Basketball fundraiser. They're trying to buy a basketball. You don't look like you're gonna play much basketball. You better go with football. Oh!
You let me do 50 push-ups for 100?
He wants to do 50 push-ups for $100. That's $2 a push-up. How many can you do? How about 20 for 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20! I got tired fucking counting. $20 for 20 push-ups. You get nothing.
I could do 20 more push-ups, 20 more?
I gotta feed a family. I got 12 people here tonight.
One day you should invite us to the house.
One day, why don't you do this, okay? How old are you?
17.
I'm telling you now, this is no bullshit. This is the real deal. Start practicing for your real estate test now. It's only one course online. One test. The license to make money. Better than a college education if you apply it. If you do it now, when you're 18, you get your license, right?
Yeah.
Maybe fix your hair a little, put on a nice outfit, walk into one of these real estate offices and say, here, I'm ready to sell real estate. You can do it. I'm telling you.
Sir.
Now's the perfect window you got. When you're 18, you're ready to take a test if you just take that course right now. I'm telling you, listen, housewives, women, do it on the side and make big money. Hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, showing people a house. You like the house? Okay, sign right here. In 30 days, you get paid. It's easy. I was impressed, Vincent. I didn't think you'd do it. You didn't bend much, but it was a good effort.
Could have did 100.
I don't push up, I push down. I push down cheeseburgers, I push down hot dogs. I think you should get on that fire truck right there because you're so hot. Share the video. Don't forget about our sponsor, ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. Adios, amigos.